Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and press the bell icon. In this video, I will show you how to add a confirmation dialog when deleting a record, using Wire Confirm Directive, which is a new feature added in Livewire 3.0.8. I have already set up the project by downloading Laravel 10 and Livewire 3. First, create a project model with migration. Add title and slug in the viewable properties. In post-migration, add title and slug to create title and slug column names in the database. Add unique constraint to slug. Create project list Livewire component, add $ID property and add locked attribute to the property. In the render method, pass $projects variable to the view. The delete method accepts $ID as a parameter. We find the project by ID and delete it, then we display the success message using session flash message. In the project list blade file, we display the project title and slug in a table, using the for-else loop. Add wire key attribute inside the table tag. Add delete method in wire click directive. In web.php file, add a root to display the projects. Do not forget to import project list Livewire component. Now migrate the database and insert some records inside the projects table. Open the URL in your browser and reload the page. Click on the delete icon, and you will see that the record is deleted, and the success message is displayed. Open Livewire documentation and click on GitHub icon. Click here. Scroll down. Here, you can see that the Wire Confirm directive was added in Livewire version 3.0.8. Now, in the Livewire documentation, look for the Wire Confirm directive and click on the link. Copy this code. Paste the code after wire click. Now reload the page and click on delete icon. You can see the confirm dialog. Now, let's display the confirmation prompt. Copy this code. Paste the code here and replace the old one. Now reload the page and click on delete icon. You will see a confirmation prompt where you need to type delete to delete the record. Type delete and click on OK to delete the record. You will see that the record is deleted, and the success message is displayed. Now, replace delete with $project slug in double curly braces. Now reload the page and click on delete icon. Now, you can see that you need to type the project slug to delete the record. Type project slug and click on OK to delete the record. You will see that the record is deleted, and the success message is displayed. Open phpMyAdmin and check the database. You will see that the records have been deleted. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in next tutorial. Till then, stay safe.